Hello friends, and welcome back to my tiny kitchen. I am Quintana with another fun recipe to share with you this week. It is a pasta sauce, and it is, as usual, simple, easy, and very delicious. It's avocado carbonara. So let's get started. Okay, my lovelies, it's time for the parade of ingredients for our delicious avocado carbonara pasta sauce. First and foremost, we have one delicious ripe avocado. Our next ingredient is a beautiful egg yolk. Look how pretty that is. This next ingredient is, I traded, the original recipe called for a half cup of heavy cream. I didn't really want to use heavy cream, so I decided to use a half cup of Greek yogurt, and it adds the perfect amount of tang. This is another place I deferred from the recipe because the recipe called for 1 garlic clove. Today I'll be using 4. But you can use as many as you want. And finally, we're going to use the juice of 1/2 of a lemon. And guess where all of these ingredients are gonna go? That's right, in my food processor. Can you tell I'm excited to have it back? All right, here we go, everybody in the pool. All right, now it's time to get processing. Okay, now it's ready to get processed. Just a quick note, I did add a couple pinches of kosher salt. Look at that delicious and creamy avocado carbonara sauce. And it goes best with a long thin noodle like spaghetti or fettuccine or linguine, or how I'm going to make it, and I'm going to put it on some delicious bucatini. It's my favorite long thin pasta. And I'm going to top it with some crumbled bacon and Parmesan. Highly suggested. All right, friends, here is the final product. Look how delicious that looks. The bacon and the Parmesan cheese and the bucatini. And now it's time for the taste test with your new favorite taste tester, Dan. Go for it, babe. Just get what you can. You're doing
great. Just gonna make a little mess out of this. Oh my goodness. Run to your pantries or your local grocer, get these ingredients. This is so good. It's chewy, it's tangy, it's got flavors galore, bacon smell and everything. This is so good.
Thanks, babe. And just like that, you have avocado carbonara. It's so good. Thank you for coming back to my tiny kitchen. Thank you for letting me know how much you love our taste tester. I hope he stays for a really long time. I love him too. And come back next week when I'll have another fun, delicious, easy, simple recipe for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell your friends, spread the word. Until next week. Oh yeah, don't forget to register to vote.